FM radio app. So how to install it? So here is the nice app. If you like listening to FM radio stations, this is one of the good apps. So here it is, Rocket Apps GmbH. So here it is, and then #1 radio app, 40,000 plus stations. So listen together, we share, play, detect songs on Shazam. So full support for CarPlay, music genres, powerful search, and then 40,000 plus radio stations. Explore station by rotating a 3D globe. Detect sounds with built-in Shazam support. CarPlay, AirPlay. So pretty cool app. There are a bunch of these radio apps, but this one seems to be quite good. Just try it out, FM radio app, and then here you can just use it. So here is the app. You can get full access, try free for 3 days, unlock all pro features, access all Rocket apps ad free, and then 3 days free, then only $30 per year, no commitment, cancel anytime. And then there is some kind of limited free version. So let's just explore it. Then they want to get all other apps from from this developer, and then you have all the apps, like all the radio stations, genres, popular radios near you, and then countries. You can select all the countries near you. So if you like FM radio, this is one of the good apps. So that's pretty cool, and then you can just have it. So that's the app. You can have a globe here. You can just explore different. So basically, you can just explore all the different ones. Then go to the charts and go here, tap on favorites. So try it out.